Hello friends, welcome to our channel Crazy Little Gems. In our today's video, we are going to learn Class 5 Social Studies lesson The Globe. Following are the contents covered in this chapter. The shape of Earth, the globe, the north and south poles, the northern and southern hemispheres, latitudes and longitudes, the global grid, followed by key points. Friends, have you ever wondered what exactly the shape of Earth is? What you think the Earth looks like? If you think it looks like the globe, you are not exactly right. Long ago, people thought it was flat like a coin. But later on, when pictures were taken from space, then we got to know that the Earth is actually not perfectly spherical, but it is very close to that of the shape of a sphere. The Earth is round and appears flat to us because the Earth is so much bigger than us. Definitely, the large size of Earth makes it difficult for us to study it as a whole. Geographers have developed different means of representing the Earth on a small scale to make its study easy. The two important tools that we use for this purpose are globes and maps. Let's learn about globe. A globe is a small round model of the Earth. We can turn the globe as per our convenience. Globe can be turned around a line passing through it and it is called as axis. Do you know that you can cover only half of the globe at one time? However, you can turn the globe around to see the other half. The axis is not straight and it is tilted at an angle of 23.5. The Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 to the vertical. The axis of rotation of the globe is similar to that of the Earth. The two end points of the axis of rotation are called the poles. To the north is the North Pole and to the south is the South Pole. You can see midway between the poles is an imaginary line circling the Earth. It is called the equator. It divides the Earth into two equal halves called the hemisphere. To the north is the northern hemisphere and to the south is the southern hemisphere. To locate places on the globe, horizontal and vertical lines are drawn in it. The horizontal lines are drawn parallel to the equator. Like the equator, they are around the Earth. They are also known as latitudes or parallels. The vertical lines are semicircles that run from the North Pole to the South Pole. They are called longitudes or meridians. Do you know latitudes and longitudes are marked in degrees? And 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. Now let me explain about markings of latitudes. The equator is marked at 0 degrees. The North Pole is marked at 90 degrees north and the South Pole is marked at the 90 degrees south. Thus, the latitude of a place tells us how far north or south a place is from the equator. There are 5 important parallels of latitude. These are equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Markings of longitude. Longitudes are vertical lines drawn on a globe or map that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. There are mainly two important meridians of longitude. One of them is prime meridian, which is at 0 degrees longitude. This is also known as Greenwich meridian. The reason for calling it as Greenwich meridian is this longitude is running through the old Royal Observatory at Greenwich, which is near London. The second one is anti-meridian of prime meridian. An anti-meridian is the meridian of longitude which is opposite to any given meridian. The anti-meridian is the meridian of longitude opposite to the prime meridian. The anti-meridian is used as the basis for the international dateline. So far, we have learnt about the latitude and the longitude, which are the horizontal and the vertical lines drawn on a globe or a map. These latitudes and longitudes together form a network of lines or a grid on the globe. This is known as the global grid. If we know the longitude and the latitude of a place, we can locate it accurately on the global grid. Let's have the glimpse of the important points covered from this chapter. The equator is an imaginary line encircling the Earth's midway between poles. The Earth is divided into two equal halves called the hemispheres. These are the northern and the southern hemispheres. Latitudes are the horizontal lines drawn on a globe or map that go around the Earth parallel to equator. Longitudes are the vertical lines drawn on a globe or map that run from North Pole to the South Pole. Hope you find this video useful and interesting. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more videos. Also drop your comments in the comment section.